City of Northport and its partners are rescuing residents trapped in the high water there. Eagle 8 HD flew over that area today, where you can see Sumter Road near I-75 flooded and the road blocked off to drivers. News Channel 8's Allison Henning has more from Northport.
City officials tell us water levels are expected to continue rising for the next 24 to 36 hours. The city manager tells me he believes thousands will need to be rescued. Taking a drive through the city today, many streets looked just like this one right here, completely underwater. As waters rise throughout the city of Northport, people are joining forces using boats, kayaks, and canoes to rescue loved ones and strangers from their homes.
Crazy out there. Just houses are flooded everywhere. It's about 4 foot down the roads. It's a disaster. Worst thing I've ever seen in my life.
Sumter Boulevard looks more like a river as you near the Northport Estates neighborhood. Authorities have the road closed to the public. City leaders urging residents to stay put as high water rescues continue in the city's most flood-prone communities. City manager Jerome Fletcher says many are trapped and need help getting out.
I would believe we're talking about thousands of people at this point because we're still without citywide power, citywide water. The devastation and the people that need services that we can provide them is a lot.
Because of everything that's going on right now, there is a curfew in effect here in the city of Northport. It begins at 8 p.m. and ends at 6 a.m. Reporting from Northport, Allison Henning, 8 on your side.